Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Saudi to Dubai. So from here, you can choose your method. So you can choose a bank application or specialized remittance service. So the first thing that you have to do is just log into your Saudi bank application. So you have the AI Raji, the SABB, or a third-party application like STC Pay or Alin Mape, and just look for international transfer from there. So second step is to add a UAE beneficiary. So you just have to click on it, and then you will need to add a recipient's full name and the UAE bank name, like the account number and the IBAN for most wire transfers. Next is to enter amount and currency. So review the exchange rate and then transfer fee before proceeding. So you have to enter the amount that you wish to send in Saudi riyals or a SAR. Next is to review fees and purpose. So you have to select the purpose of the transfer. So often mandatory for compliance, and then you just have to confirm and the final total debit amount from your SAR account. So from here you will see the fee summary, which is the transfer fee, the exchange rate, and you also have to choose the purpose of transfer. Lastly is to authorize and complete. So you have to enter the OTP received via SMS or the token. So you just have to enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to authorize and complete the transfer. So funds should arrive in Dubai or the AED within minutes to 1 to 2 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!